Heidi? Carl.
Hello, Steve.
Carl, I need your help.
What's the matter?
Well, I can't seem to get rid of these plastic. These plastic.
Hiccups?
Yeah. I've had them for the past 2 days, and they're driving me crazy.
Well, have you tried holding your breath?
Been there, did that. Didn't work.
Well, maybe you didn't hold it long enough. Go ahead. Take a big, deep breath.
Now, how long should I hold it?
Till I say when.
Okay, well, let me warm up my lungs.
Oh, will you just hold your breath?
Guess who's in Bermuda?
Who?
Emily Tompkins.
Oh, from the church choir.
She sent me a letter with these pictures.
Oh. Wow, look at that beautiful beach.
Hi, Steve.
And look at that water. It's so blue. Have you ever seen anything so blue? Mom, didn't Eddie used to date Emily's daughter for a while?
I think you're right. Now, what was her name? Brenda?
No. Bernice?
No, I know it starts with a B. Bernadette.
Oh, yeah, Bernadette.
I knew I would think of it.
Bernadette. I haven't seen her since God knows when. Steve, are you okay?
Good Lord, I thought you would never say when.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. But did you get rid of your hiccups?
Yeah. Now.
Well, Steve, you know, there are other cures.
Like what? Scaring me won't work. My mother already tried that. She came downstairs in a bikini. I was fine, but poor Dad locked himself in the basement.
I'm sorry, Steve. I am fresh out of cures.
Oh, Carl, you've got to help me, big guy. I mean, I can't eat, I can't sleep, and I don't dare practice my sword swallowing.
All right, Steve. One last try. Take a deep breath, and I want you to drink down this whole glass of iced tea.
You sure?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Well?
Carl, I think my hiccups are gone.
Hey. Sit down, Steve. You know, I read somewhere where prolonged hiccups can be caused by emotional trauma.
Trauma?
When you were robbed. I mean, wouldn't you say that was a pretty intense experience?
Oh, yes.
Scary, huh?
How it was scary, humiliating, and frustrating. I mean, 2 crooks broke into my house, tied me up, and stole all my stuff.
And now you're angry, huh?
Oh, I'm furious. And in pain.